Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I have not filmed in such a very long time. However, today's a little bit exciting because I'm going on my very first festival with these two little ones. This little one's very car sick, so I'm not looking forward to the journey. I'm not really sure how it's going to go, but I've got lots of like things like poo bags to soak up the vomit and black bean bags, paper towels. Like, let's just hope we get there and hope poor Lola doesn't get covered in vomit on the way. It's only about an hour away, but I'm going to be driving probably a bit slower, so maybe a bit longer. Problem is, I bought my tickets this morning online and paid with PayPal. Didn't ask me for an email address or anything, and then when I like got the confirmation, it was like delivery address, and I was like, well, that's not going to be any good because, you know, it's today. And I haven't physically got like a ticket to show them. I've tried emailing. Obviously it's only been like an hour, but I need to set off. Not had any response, and I'm a bit worried. I've tried messaging on the website and I've tried putting a post on Facebook. I do have like the PayPal thing that says this ticket, so I'm hoping that's going to be enough, but let's see what happens when we get there. Ooh, wish me luck. We arrived, we are here. I've just started setting everything up. You were sick. Will you say yes, I was sick, everybody, I was sick. Lola wasn't, but yeah, we managed. It wasn't too bad. They're just kind of getting used to it. One of my worries is that Iris just barks at absolutely everyone and everything. Any noise, any people. She's just not really been socialised yet, but I'm hoping that these types of events are gonna help her to become socialised. I've just overheard some people talking, and apparently this one woman was saying that it was really cold overnight last night. So I'm a little bit worried that it's going to be really cold tonight. But I've got loads of blankets, to be fair, and a proper like quite a thick sleeping bag, so I'll be fine. And I have got some warm things that I can wear if I need to. But yeah, it was a bit of a rushed intro this morning, so I could give you a little bit of a tour, but there's not really very much to see, to be honest. I couldn't find the suckers for all my extra ones of these. Luckily, I bought these to go across the front bit, so it's not going to be light proof or anything, but no one will be able to see me, I don't think. But I think that'll probably be enough, and I don't really need to worry about putting the things on the windows. I can try I can probably wedge the front one in because of the, anyway, figure it out. But yeah, this is a little set we've got. This is where I'm going to be sleeping. I've got like a chair here, some clothes and some bits behind us. I brought my jackery. Basically the only thing I will need that for is to charge this battery if I end up doing lots of filming, which when I get into the festival site I might. And then I brought a couple of books. I've got 5 frozen bottles of water. Let me show you what I've got. So instead of using ice packs, I've used frozen bottles of water, and that's still very frozen, so that's a good sign. I wasn't sure how good this little thing was going to be. I've got 2 cheese wraps, cheese and mayo wraps, and 2 peanut butter wraps. I've got a little bottle of Bacardi, 4 cans of Pepsi. Oh, I brought some spoons just because I thought I'd probably need them to mix my coffee and stuff. And that's basically it. And then I've also got in here just some crisps and biscuits and things. And then I filled this with boiling water this morning. This is a Dometic. I got this at a festival the other week. It was just, I just went for the day. I wish I could have gone for like the camping. I will next year. Camper van camp out it was. And it was a tenner for like a 2 litre, no, what is it? It's 1,200 ml, so 1.2 litres. But I just figured I'm gonna buy a little kettle, but I'm only here for today, and then I have to be off I think by 11 AM tomorrow. So I probably won't even have a hot drink in the morning because I've got obviously the journey home. I don't want to be needing the toilet on the way home and stuff. So we'll probably just get up, have a nice rested, chilled morning, getting up slowly and gradually, get everything sorted and then go. I think that's what we might do. What's it like? I really have no idea how the dogs are going to take to it, but they actually, at the minute, they seem pretty chilled. So let's hope that it carries on that way. But yeah, I'm just going to carry on doing a bit more sorting, and then we'll probably head out to the festival.
No worries. Right, you come on. Right, next time. Do you think which one you want to do? Let's start. Come on then, come down. This is fingers crossed.
Oh, we've got the seat there.
Oh, Iris. Stop it. Oh, so I am just back in the van now. It's quite warm in here, so I've managed to put, I don't know if you can see it. So this is like making it a bit private for us. I'm not as long as no one can properly see me, I'm not bothered if people can see lights on, because everybody knows that everybody's camping. If I was ever stealth camping, it needs to be really, but yeah, I managed to just hook it up there. It won't go on properly because I've not got any suckers for it. The thing is, they are probably in the car somewhere. But I don't know where, and there's a lot of crap in this vehicle, like in the boot and stuff, and I'm not going through it all now. It'll be fine. So yeah, I mean, that's kind of just the layout I've got at the moment. But I think it's pretty private when all the, yeah, it'll be fine. I haven't decided whether I'm enjoying myself entirely yet. It's just a little bit strange. I think because I'm on my own, but also because I've got the dogs with me, that makes it a little bit more difficult. I can't get into maybe all the little stalls as easily when I've got the dogs on the buggy and everything. I had to put them in the buggy because I took them originally on the leads and it did not go very well. And Iris is not social. She has not been socialised. It's my fault because I was too scared to let her out before she was vaccinated, and she's past that little bit of that window now, but I'm just hoping that this is going to help. Because she's such a sweet girl. Come here, come and say hello, because nobody on the channel knows who you are yet. We'll have to do a separate video about that. But yes, this is little baby Iris. But she is just, and she's actually snapping when people like, no, you can't go anywhere, baby. Could you stay here? She's actually like going for people. So I mean, people have been really nice and, you know, trying to like talk to her and give her a treat and things, but she's just not getting it. So I think that's made it a bit I don't know. Anyway, I've got my little fan on because it's actually really blooming hot now in here. And I'm going to charge this battery for a bit. I've put my phone on charge for a little bit. Just had a little wrap. I'm going to make myself a Bacardi and Coke and see if that helps me to lighten up a little bit. Yeah, give the dogs a bit of something to eat, chill out for a little bit and then go back out. I have got an itinerary now, so I know what's on, but yeah, it's 2 PM so far and yeah, it's all good. Iris has made some friends. Yes, she has. We're getting there, aren't we now? You're such a good
she's a
girl.
poser.
She is a poser. She knows where the camera is. Look at her.
Look at her.
Yeah, good girl.
Good girl.
Ah.
When I was walking
I love your wingy earrings.
Thank you.
Wow. I love your very unique.
Yeah, the cape and the bot. Yeah. Is that
That's Black Forest wine as well.
Oh,
It's
is
not
it?
just wine, it's Black Forest wine.
I love this.
Oh, well done. Yeah, I've got a bit.
Whatever to the trees, to the bars, to ourselves, to our bodies, so very quickly.
Morning guys. Oh my god, look at the state of my hair and my face is so red. It's actually really hot in the camper van now. It's like 10 o'clock now. I actually slept really well. Oh god, my hair's so bad. I'm literally just gonna get everything packed up, go for a wee, take the dogs for a wee, and we're gonna set off home. And I'm gonna catch up with you guys when we get back. I think I'm this red because it's so hot in the camper van. But I was asleep, so I didn't really realise until I woke up and was like, okay, I'll see you soon.
Very soon.
Bye,
It can help to
Festival.
find great people fast.
I need Indeed.
Indeed you do. Sponsor a job on Indeed to unlock more tools that save you time and help you hire quality.
Hi guys, okay, so we are home now. It's like a few days or a week or so, I can't even remember, since the festival. Look at the little baby. Yay. Hi, I know, yeah. What's Lola doing? Oh, she's having a little lie down. Oh, beautiful girl. Yes, you are. So yeah, I wanted to just do an outro for this video, and I did end up having a good time in the end. I think once I'd had just a little drink, I did relax a little bit. I felt a lot better once that couple kind of got talking to Iris, and she kind of made some friends, and I feel a little bit more hopeful now for the future that she will be able to hopefully become more socialised. But she's just so cute, but she's just a little nightmare. Yeah, it was really good in the end, and slept quite well. The dogs slept really well. They literally got under the blanket. I guess they were exhausted. Got under the blanket and just slept through till the next day. So that was really good as well. So I think they actually kind of enjoyed it in the end. So yeah, poor little Iris was very, very sick on the way home again. and I'm just hoping that she's going to grow out of that. The couple actually that I met at the festival said they have a Pomeranian, and they said that he was the same when he was a baby, and something to do with the inner ears aren't fully developed yet, but hopefully that's all it is, which means that she gets nauseous with motion. So hopefully once her inner ears are fully developed, hopefully she won't get car sick anymore. Fingers crossed. So yeah, I thought I would just do a proper end to this video because I didn't manage to do that beforehand. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I am hoping to do some more videos, and I'm hoping to do a little bit of a life update video after this one, because a lot has gone on over the past few years. So yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.